Here's the Soundcore P20i earbuds. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect directly to an iPhone via Bluetooth. The iPhone that I'm using here is an iPhone 16e. So the first thing we're going to do is go to the Bluetooth settings on your iPhone. So go to settings, and then we're going to go to Bluetooth. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on, okay? And we're going to scroll down. Now, down here, which says other devices, that little spinning thing is searching for devices that's in pairing mode that is near me. So we're going to put these in pairing mode. Go ahead and take these out, the earbuds out of your case, and you can put them in your ear, or you can wait a few seconds, okay? If you put it in your ear, you'll know if it's in pairing mode if you hear the pairing mode chime, like dun-dun-dun-dun-dun, dun-dun-dun-dun-dun. Okay, so these should be in pairing mode, but they're not showing up here. The reason why it's not is because I'm currently connected or paired to a different phone. So really quickly, I'm connected to a Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus here. So I need to go into settings here, connections, and I'm going to go to Bluetooth here. Yeah, and it says, okay, so the P20i is connected here. So what I can do from here is I can turn off Bluetooth, or I can like disconnect or unpair. If you're on an iPhone, it'd be like, forget this device. I'll do any of those three, and then right away these will go into pairing mode. Okay, so for example, let's turn off Bluetooth. Boom. Now these should be in pairing mode. Okay, let me go back in here. Let's scroll down. Hey, what do you know? Now it showed up. Now another way that we could have put it in pairing mode, if I didn't know I was connected to that phone, we could have always reset these as well and put it into pairing mode. But anyway, we found it here. Let's tap on that, and voila, we're connected to go. Now, if you had issues where you couldn't put it into pairing mode, or issues connecting, you can factory reset these. If you need to do that, look below in the link in the description area.